Hey guys, if you're new to HKU, remember to set up these on your laptop before day 1. First, Zoom. Make sure you're on HKU Zoom Premium, which gives you longer meeting and cloud recordings, especially useful for group projects and online lectures. To get Zoom Premium, just log in with SSO and type HKU as the domain. Next is HKU Moodle, your one-stop for course schedules, deadlines, and lecture recordings. Bookmark this on your browser. To log in, just use your HKU Connect email and password, and once you're inside, the dashboard calendar shows all your course schedules and deadlines. You can also browse through all your registered courses right there. For lecture recordings, check your course Moodle for the Zoom recording section like this, or go to HKU Panopto. Just make sure to sign in with your HKU portal ID. For Microsoft 365, under Sign In options, select Sign into an organization and put hku.hk as its domain. Then type your HKU Connect email account and password to finish logging in. Now time for a mandatory verification step. After you sign in, you'll get this verification request with a number. But honestly, the code never shows up on my Outlook mobile app for some reason, so I always verify using my phone number instead. Type the SMS code and you're good to go. Once you're in Microsoft 365, you'll see this entire panel of apps, but your go-to will be Outlook, as is the primary platform for HKU emails. As you'll get tons of emails, remember to flag the important ones for your easy reference later. And also, don't sleep on Copilot. We all use it to draft and summarize emails, but did you know it can schedule events straight to your Outlook calendar? Just give it a simple prompt like this, and boom, the event is added. Cool, right? Try it if you want to stay organized. Lastly, Notion and Canva. Both have crazy student perks, so make sure you grab those. For Notion, you can get an Education Plus plan with your HKU email. To get it, simply log in with your Connect account. Then click on Upgrade. On the next page, scroll down to Students and Educators and hit Get the Education Plan. And then you'll get the education plan instantly. Moving into Canva Pro, HKU offers such a great deal every semester in exchange for the entire year of Canva Pro, but quota runs out fast, so move quick. After your purchase, log into Canva and accept their invite, and voila, you're in Canva Pro. Hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.